Hi guys, this is the Python series. Now let's discuss about the rise keyword in exception handling. Python language provides the rise keyword to be used in the context of exception handling. Okay, it causes an exception to be generated explicitly. Built-in errors are raised implicitly. However, a built-in or custom exceptions can be forced during the execution. Is it clear? So, in order to raise the custom exception, we can use the rise keyword. And we can use the same rise keyword for built-in exception also. Okay, if we want to force any exception during the execution of the program, we can use the rise keyword. Okay, let's see this example. Then only it will be clear. Here, I have implemented the exception handling. Try except. Okay, already we have discussed. Inside the try block, we have to place the suspicious code. Okay, the try block might throw exceptions. Okay, so if the error is raised inside the try block means the error will be handled with the help of this except block. Isn't it? Here, we can give the inbuilt exception classes. In this example, I have used the rise keyword. Okay, if we want to force any exception, we can use the rise keyword. Here I have used the inbuilt exception class value error. Okay, this is the name of the variable. Here I have used the input method. We know already input method is used to get the input from the user during the execution of the program, and the input method always return the string value. So here I have used the typecasting process to convert the string value into the integer value. The converted integer value only will be stored inside the age variable. Here I have implemented the decision making statement. This is the expression. Here I have used the relational operator less than symbol. Okay, after the evaluation of this expression, we will get either true or false. If it returns true means the if block will be executed, otherwise the else block will be executed. Okay, so here if this expression returns true means the control comes inside the if block. Here we have the rise keyword. This is the inbuilt exception class. So what will happen here? The control jumps from the 4th line to the 7th line except block. Here this is the inbuilt exception class. So we will get this statement as the output. Got it? So if we want to, or if we force to give the exception means we can use the rise keyword like this. Got it? Okay, let me execute this one. Here, enter the age. Now I give 15. So, after the evaluation of this expression, we will get 15 less than 18. True only, isn't it? So, the control comes here. Here we have the rise keyword. So, what will happen? The exception is raised with the help of this rise keyword, and the control jumps from the 4th line to the 7th line because the except block is only the responsible to handle the error which is raised inside the try block, isn't it? So the control comes here, and this you are not eligible to vote will be printed. Okay, now I got the output. You are not eligible to vote. Okay, let me execute the same again. Now I give 19, that is greater than 18. So after the evaluation of this, we will get false only. False means what will happen? The control comes here, that is the else block. So we will get you are eligible to vote. Okay, so I got you are eligible to vote. Got it? And one more example. Here I have created the variable num, and during the execution of the program, the user to give the input. That input will be converted into integer. That value will be stored inside the num variable. After the evaluation of this expression, we will get either true or false. If it returns true means here we have the inbuilt exception. Okay, this is the rise keyword. This is responsible to rise the exception. Okay, and here we have the custom message. In the previous example, we didn't have any custom message with this inbuilt exception. But in this case, I have the custom message with the inbuilt exception class. This is only the difference between this and the previous program. Okay. So, the control jumps from the 5th line to the 6th line. Because any error is occurred inside the try block means this except block only the responsible to handle the error which is raised inside the try block, isn't it? So the control comes here, and here I have created the variable as keyword I have used. Okay, so the message, that is the custom message, will be stored inside the e variable. That value will be printed on our console. Is it clear? Let me execute this one. Num value 1. So after the evaluation of this, that is 1 less than or equal to 0. Is it true? No, isn't it? So it returns false. False means what will happen? Nothing is happened because there is no code for else block. Okay, let me execute the same again. Now -1. Now what is the result? After the evaluation of this expression, it returns true only. So the control comes here, and here we have the rise keyword, isn't it? So this exception class, that is the inbuilt class I have used with the custom message. The control comes here, and the custom message, that is a negative number, will be printed. That's why we got this output. Okay, so what is the usage of rise keyword? Rise keyword to be used in the context of the exception handling. Okay, rise keyword causes an exception to be generated explicitly. If we want to force any exception, means we can use this type of rise keyword. Got it? We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.